So one of the things that has been keeping me back from appearing in most video is the background. So just give me a moment while I change this background. Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shehu Habibat. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video. Please keep watching to find out how I achieve this beautiful background look and the do's and don'ts while applying this background look. So before I start, I want to tell you the necessary things you'll be needing to start this background video to make it look seamlessly beautiful. And that is number one, make sure your data is on. That's the truth. I know the whole process is free, but it's not free when your data is not on. Each thing you click on has to be on a download, so your data has to be on. So the next thing I'll be talking about is lighting. Right now I'm using the natural light. I just opened my door because the window lighting was not enough and I had to use the door. So I don't know if I'm going to be showing how I'm seated here, but I'll try as much as possible to show you how I'm seated here. I just feel that lighting, I have a light, but I just feel that natural lighting is best for this video. Currently, make sure that your phone is placed in a position where it is not going to be shaking. Make sure you're not holding the phone. Make sure that if you're trying to use a tripod or anything, make sure that the phone is steady, like it's staying in one position, because once this thing starts to shake, I'm going to shake a bit in this video for you to see what I'm trying to say. Once that starts to shake a bit, it's not going to really give it that cut that you really need. So that is what I'm trying to say. I'm just going to start the process, so stay with me.
So you're going to download and open the Canva app. Once that is done, you're going to search for YouTube thumbnail on the search button. It's going to give you a YouTube thumbnail which is in a blank space, like going to be blank. You're just going to tap on that blank YouTube thumbnail. It will take you to the next page, and once that is done, you're going to this page and you're going to click on this purple button. You will come down, scroll, and you see elements. This element, you're going to click on it, and once you tap on this element, it's going to bring you down to this. You're going to just scroll down to the AI image generator, tap on the generator, and you can see it already saying describe the image you want. I will generate it for you. You're just going to type in what you want the AI to generate for you. So here I'm going to just type in generate a wall background with a flower. So actually I wrote with a flower and a table shelf. So basically you're just going to like explain in full details how you want your image to be designed. So once you've done that, it's going to take a while to generate those images, and you're going to pick whatever one you want among those images. So basically these images are nice, but I just went ahead to recreate another image. I just went on to create another one, and you're allowed to like keep asking for more if you're not okay with the ones it has generated. So I'm just going to pick one from these images I'm seeing here because they are also nice, and I'm going to take it down to this blank space. So once I'm down to this blank space, I'm going to like use my hand to just stretch that out because the image that was generated is small. It's too small for the main blank. So once that is done, you're satisfied, you just go on and download your image, and there you have it after download. But if you want to add other accessories, you want to add other logos, you can go on and do that. So after this was done, I went back in to make more of this and in different designing, and I had to add more logo to this background because I wanted it to be more beautiful. I downloaded this background. It's still mainly the same process, and for this one, whatever logo you are looking for, you have to just type it in. You can see here I'm just trying to look for flowers to add to the background, but fortunately most of the flowers I'm seeing there are for pro. I have to pay to get it. The ones I'm seeing there are not really something I like. They are meant to be free, are not something that I like. So I just went in, just pick a random logo that I know that it's meant to be free. It's free, and not the one I actually have money to pay for. So I just selected one out of these flowers and I applied it to the background that I created. Once you pick a flower, you're just going to tap on it, bring it down to the background, and I'm just trying to drag that to see where it's going to fit, where it's going to sit properly. So I just say, okay, let me put it on this vase. Since the vase is empty, the flower vase is empty, so I just place it there, downloaded the photo, and we have our beautiful picture. So the next app we're going to be using is CapCut. You're just going to tap your CapCut. You're going to see where it's written new project. Click on the new project. It's going to bring it down here. Go on photo, and when you click on photo, you're going to see your image that you have downloaded. Click on that image you want to use as your background. It's going to just take a while it to download down to the CapCut app. So once it has downloaded down to the CapCut app, you're going to go back in. You can stretch that out, or if you like, you can go on overlay, add your overlay before you stretch it out. So I basically like to add my overlay, select a video from the videos I want, add it up, because by that doing I will know how to stretch the length to stretch my background to. So after that video has been exported, I'm going to stretch the background. So once I've stretched the background and I'm okay with the background I'm having, I'm going to go and search for this remove BG, and I'm going to add to that auto remove. So once you've clicked on that auto remove, you can see that it's written here, removing background. So this process too is dealing with data. So it's going to take a while for it to finish the background removing. So once that is done, you can see I'm just trying to show you that for it to happen, you just need to have data and a very good network. So you can see how this is going already, and I don't think you should play your video while this is happening, because your video might be freezing. It will not be good for your video. So just hold on while this is taking its time to finish removing the background. And once that is done, we're going to move on. You can see how the background is looking with the video already. So I am going to just use my hand to see where I can try to fit this in, the measurements I want, how I want it to stay. You're going to just be the one to just try and place it in whatever position you want your video to be and how you want your video to look. So in this aspect, you can basically see I'm just trying to place it out. You can see how that cut came out so clean and so good. Oh my god, I am loving this. So I made so many, I made 3 patterns of this, and I just came back and I added everything up. So that's basically how this background is being created. You're just going to go ahead and just save it up, and it's going to export directly to your gallery.
So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for staying. If you are able to get to this moment, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate if you will do that for me. Thank you so much for watching once again, and bye.